Hello YouTubers, this is Robert281979 with another kind of a quick update. I kind of been working on the motor today. I've got the whole front end put back together on it, all sealed up, buttoned up. Got the injector pump put on here, the injector lines put on. I was actually wanting to get it stabbed in the truck today, but I come across an issue here with the starter bolt was broke off in this motor when I got it, and somebody else had already tried to drill it out and ended up drilling to the side of the bolt and tore up the threads. So what I'm going to end up having to do is cut it up here across the top at a downward angle, and it come in right here straight across and actually made to where it's a flat end to where I can drill the rest of that bolt out and find a nut and a little bit longer bolt, and I'm going to end up having to just put a bolt with a lock nut on it to hold that starter on, which is going to be more of a pain, but you know, it is what it is, you know. So but that's going to be that today, the next step on it. And then once that's done, I'll get it off the stand and get this flywheel off, get the other flywheel put on, the clutch set up on it, get it all aligned and ready to go, and then get it dropped into here, which I see I'll clean those oil cooler lines up because they're pretty nasty. And I've got the whole other exhaust set up for this truck, but all I'm going to do is put it together and get it going, drive it a few days, and then when I get time, I'll come back in and cut this exhaust off and take the downpipe off, put my other exhaust system on here. And because that's all going to be temporary till I can get the time and the money set up, because I'm going to eventually go ahead and put stacks on this truck. But as in Corvette Wild's video, this bar here is broke on his, and everyone I've ever come across on a four-wheel drive just about has been busted there for some reason. I get a better close up here, but it's, you can barely see it. The camera barely picks it up, but it is cracked all the way across and broke. So I ain't gonna worry too much with that, because I mean, that's just a cross member there to hold the skid plate on, so ain't nothing major really. So but that's where I'm at on this right now. I said I'll get more videos as I go, get it all completed, put together and everything else. So just stay tuned and keep checking back. You'll see a video at least. I'm trying to hopefully go for at least one a day on this and spend a little time a day on this one, try to get it done. So anyway, rate my videos, comment if you like, and subscribe. I mean, I ain't much of anybody on YouTube, so but if you like what you're seeing, you know, go ahead and subscribe. So anyway, I guess we'll let this one go, and we'll holler at y'all again later. Thank you.